Welcome to a world where every meal is a celebration of health, flavor, and simplicity. Today, we're diving into the heart of the Mediterranean diet, a way of eating that's not just delicious, but also scientifically proven to help fight inflammation and boost your overall well-being. Imagine sitting down at a sun-drenched table, surrounded by vibrant dishes bursting with color and nutrients, each bite bringing you closer to a healthier, happier you. That's the magic of Mediterranean dinners, and I'm here to show you just how easy it is to bring that magic into your own kitchen, night after night. The Mediterranean diet isn't just a trend. It's a lifestyle that's been cherished for generations, rooted in the traditions of countries bordering the Mediterranean Sea. It's about more than just what's on your plate. It's about enjoying food, savoring every bite, and sharing meals with the people you love. And the best part? You don't need to be a professional chef or spend hours in the kitchen to enjoy these benefits. With a few simple steps, you can create meals that are as nourishing as they are beautiful. You might be thinking, healthy food takes forever to make, right? But what if I told you that you could whip up a meal that's not only good for your body, but also a feast for your senses, in just 3 simple steps? That's right. The Mediterranean diet is all about fresh, wholesome ingredients, bold flavors, and quick, easy preparation. No complicated techniques, no endless ingredient lists, just real food, real fast. And trust me, once you taste these dishes, you'll wonder why you ever settled for bland, boring meals. The beauty of Mediterranean cooking is its focus on simplicity. You don't need fancy gadgets or rare ingredients, just a few pantry staples, some fresh produce, and a willingness to experiment. Whether you're cooking for yourself or feeding a family, these recipes are designed to fit into your busy life without sacrificing taste or nutrition. So, let's get started. The foundation of every great Mediterranean dinner is a balance of lean protein, colorful vegetables, and healthy fats. These 3 elements work together to nourish your body, keep you satisfied, and help reduce inflammation, one delicious bite at a time. Whether you're a seasoned home cook or just starting out, you'll find that these recipes are as approachable as they are tasty. All you need is a handful of fresh ingredients, a little bit of time, and a willingness to try something new. Think of your plate as a canvas and these ingredients as your palate. The Mediterranean diet encourages you to eat with your eyes as well as your taste buds, filling your meals with a rainbow of vegetables, herbs, and spices. It's a way of eating that's as joyful as it is healthy. Let's paint a picture. Imagine a perfectly grilled salmon fillet, its skin crisp and golden, the flesh tender and flaky. It's topped with a silky lemon tahini sauce that adds a burst of tangy, nutty flavor, and served alongside a pile of broccoli so green and fresh, it looks like it was just picked from the garden. This isn't just dinner, it's a work of art, and it's packed with anti-inflammatory nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and fiber. Eating healthy has never looked, or tasted, so good. Salmon is a superstar in the Mediterranean diet, not only for its flavor, but for its health benefits. The omega-3s in salmon help reduce inflammation, support heart health, and even boost your mood. Pairing it with broccoli, which is loaded with vitamins and minerals, makes this meal a powerhouse of nutrition. And the lemon tahini sauce? It ties everything together with a creamy, zesty finish that elevates the whole dish. Step 1. Start by seasoning your salmon. Don't be shy, this is your chance to infuse the fish with flavor. Sprinkle on a generous pinch of sea salt, a crack of black pepper, and a dash of smoked paprika for a subtle warmth. Add a sprinkle of dried oregano or thyme for that classic Mediterranean aroma. If you like a little heat, a pinch of chili flakes works wonders. Massage the spices into the fillet, making sure every inch is coated. This simple step transforms plain salmon into a flavor-packed centerpiece for your meal. Step 2. While your salmon is marinating, it's time to prep your veggies. Broccoli is a superstar when it comes to fighting inflammation, thanks to its high levels of vitamins C and K, as well as powerful plant compounds. Cut your broccoli into bite-sized florets and steam them until they're just tender, bright green, with a little bit of crunch left. Steaming preserves the nutrients and keeps the flavor fresh and vibrant. If you want to mix things up, try adding a handful of green beans or asparagus to the steamer for even more variety. Step 3. Now for the finishing touch, the lemon tahini sauce. In a small bowl, whisk together creamy tahini, fresh lemon juice, a splash of olive oil, a pinch of salt, and a little water to thin it out. The result is a luscious, tangy sauce that brings everything together. Drizzle it generously over your grilled salmon, letting it cascade down the sides and mingle with the broccoli. The combination of flavors is pure Mediterranean bliss. Rich, zesty, and utterly satisfying. And just like that, dinner is served. But what if you don't eat fish? No worries. The Mediterranean diet is incredibly flexible, with plenty of plant-based options that are just as delicious and nutritious. In fact, some of the most iconic Mediterranean dishes are completely vegetarian, relying on legumes, grains, and vegetables for protein and flavor. Whether you're vegetarian, vegan, or just looking to eat less meat, you'll find endless inspiration in this way of eating. Don't eat fish? No problem. Let's explore a plant-based favorite that's hearty, satisfying, and packed with anti-inflammatory goodness. Enter the chickpea and spinach sauté, a dish that's as easy to make as it is to love. Chickpeas are a staple in Mediterranean cooking, prized for their protein, fiber, and ability to soak up bold flavors. Spinach adds a boost of vitamins and minerals, while a touch of garlic and olive oil ties everything together. This is comfort food, Mediterranean style, warm, nourishing, and ready in minutes. Here's how to make it. Start by heating a generous glug of extra virgin olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add a few cloves of minced garlic and let them sizzle until fragrant, just a minute or two. Next, toss in a can of drained chickpeas and let them cook until they're golden and slightly crispy on the edges. Add a big handful of fresh spinach and stir until it wilts down, soaking up all those garlicky olive oil flavors. Finish with a squeeze of lemon juice, a sprinkle of sea salt, and a crack of black pepper. That's it. 3 steps, 1 pan, and a whole lot of flavor. Serve your chickpea and spinach sauté with a side of whole grain bread or a scoop of fluffy quinoa for a complete meal. The combination of plant-based protein, leafy greens, and heart-healthy fats will leave you feeling energized and satisfied. Plus, it's a great way to sneak more veggies into your day without sacrificing taste or convenience. Craving comfort food? The Mediterranean diet has you covered, with dishes that are both cozy and nourishing. One of my all-time favorites is quinoa tabbouleh with feta and cherry tomatoes. This dish is a modern twist on a classic, swapping traditional bulgur for protein-rich quinoa. The result is a salad that's light, fresh, and bursting with flavor. Toss cooked quinoa with chopped parsley, mint, diced cucumber, juicy cherry tomatoes, crumbled feta cheese, and a simple lemon olive oil dressing. Every bite is a celebration of Mediterranean ingredients. Herby, tangy, and just a little bit creamy from the feta. It's perfect as a main course or a side dish, and it comes together in no time. Looking for something a little different? Try zucchini noodles with pesto and shrimp. This dish is a fantastic way to enjoy all the flavors of pasta without the heaviness. Spiralize fresh zucchini into noodles, sauté them quickly in olive oil, and toss with homemade or store-bought pesto. Top with sautéed shrimp for a boost of lean protein, and finish with a sprinkle of toasted pine nuts and a squeeze of lemon. The result is a light, vibrant meal that's packed with flavor and nutrients. You'll be amazed at how satisfying and delicious healthy eating can be. Need something extra cozy for those chilly nights? The Mediterranean diet has plenty of options that are warm, hearty, and perfect for sharing with family and friends. One of my go-to comfort meals is a roasted veggie and lentil bowl. Start by roasting a mix of your favorite vegetables, think sweet potatoes, bell peppers, zucchini, and red onion, with a drizzle of olive oil, a sprinkle of sea salt, and a dash of smoked paprika. While the veggies roast, simmer some lentils with garlic, bay leaf, and a pinch of cumin until they're tender and flavorful. Pile the roasted veggies on top of the lentils, add a handful of fresh herbs, and finish with a dollop of Greek yogurt or a drizzle of tahini. It's a bowl of pure comfort packed with plant-based protein, fiber, and anti-inflammatory goodness. If you're in the mood for something even heartier, try sheet pan chicken with olives and tomatoes. This dish is a weeknight lifesaver. Just season bone-in chicken thighs with garlic, lemon zest, oregano, and a splash of olive oil. Arrange them on a baking sheet with cherry tomatoes, sliced red onion, and a handful of briny olives. Roast everything together until the chicken is golden and the vegetables are caramelized and juicy. The flavors meld together beautifully, creating a meal that's both simple and deeply satisfying. Serve with a side of whole grain couscous or a crisp green salad for a complete Mediterranean feast. The best part about these Mediterranean dinners, they're designed to be shared. Gather your family or invite a few friends, set the table with a colorful spread of dishes, and enjoy the simple pleasure of eating together. The Mediterranean way of eating isn't just about the food, it's about connection, community, and savoring every moment. Studies have shown that sharing meals with others can boost your mood, reduce stress, and even improve your health. So don't be afraid to make extra and invite someone over. See, eating Mediterranean is easy, fast, and full of flavor. With just a few fresh ingredients and a little bit of creativity, you can transform your weeknight dinners into something truly special. Whether you're cooking for one or feeding a crowd, these recipes are sure to become staples in your kitchen. If you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which Mediterranean dinner you're excited to try first. Are you a fan of the classic grilled salmon, or are you more tempted by the plant-based chickpea sauté? Maybe you're ready to experiment with zucchini noodles or cozy up with a roasted veggie bowl. Whatever you choose, I'd love to hear about your kitchen adventures and any twists you put on these recipes. Remember, eating well doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. With the Mediterranean diet, you can enjoy meals that are nourishing, flavorful, and easy to prepare every single night. So go ahead, treat yourself to a taste of the Mediterranean and discover how delicious healthy living can be. Eat well, feel better, and I'll see you next time.